The decision blueprint helps you to track decisions and record their outcomes. To track a decision, click on the plus icon in the menu and select Decision. Then click Next. In the Track Decision dialog, select a status: Not started, in process, or decided. Enter what you are deciding on in the decision field and then enter the owner of the page. You can also list additional stakeholders and enter a due date. Enter any other details which are important for the decision in the Background field. Then click Create. Now you can edit the page and its title. When everything is ready, click on Publish. Here you can see the link to the decision log, which functions as an index, listing all decisions you have recorded in a specific space.